So this vid is not going to be very exciting. What we're doing here, trying to catch a couple of things. So I'm basically going to cycle between Q stabilize and manual. In manual, only the rear prop will, or the rear motor will turn, and then when you go to Q stabilize, there'll be a short burst of the lift motors. So what I'm looking for is if any of them fail to start, and I suspect most the one at the rear right hand side. The other thing we're checking is how often they stop in line at the first go, and how often the jiggling firmware fixes it, or occasionally makes it worse as well. So if they all stop in line on the first occasion, that's great. There's like a jiggle process that should align any ones that have failed to align. However, I think this jiggle also sometimes puts them out of a line. Anyway, this might be quite boring, so I'm going to cycle between manual and Q stabilize. That's what I'm talking about. Back right hand side, and it's not responding to throttle. Got to go back to manual and Q stabilize again, and it's okay. But obviously I can't fly like this. Well, there's not much point carrying on that all day. What I'm going to do is, I think out of like a few hundred of these cycles, the rear right hand one is by far the biggest problem. Although just to muddy the waters, the rear left hand one, I think on 2 occasions has not started properly. But I have changed a lot of settings since then. Hopefully that's fixed. When I've seen this problem before in many years of drone building, it's turned out to be the motor. So that's what I'm going to do next, is to swap over the two rear motors. Thanks.